Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Match Made Coffee. I'm super excited about this. This is a monthly craft coffee and gourmet cookie pairing subscription. This has my mother's name written all over it because every morning she has a cup of coffee and a cookie. Every morning. She has to have something sweet with her coffee. So I'm really excited for this, and I see chocolate chip on here and super excited. So let's take a look. This one is a light to medium roast. It has all the information up front, the kind, where it's grown, and then the cookie it pairs with. So it pairs with a chocolate chip cookie. That's pretty cool. I like the detailed information on the front. On the back has their logo, and there's pretty much in here. Does it say how much is in here? I mean, it's a decent amount. It's filled all the way up. There's no like air in there, so there's a decent amount of coffee in there. We also have another one. I'm not going to try to pronounce that, but I'll definitely zoom in so you can see it. This is a medium to dark roast, which is typically what I drink. Ooh, Match Made Cookie is rosemary balsamic cookie. That sounds very interesting. Cool. Savory to the last drop. And then I guess our cookies are at the bottom. I got a little crushed, but I am very excited to try that. And it gives you all the ingredients, well, not all the ingredients, but what's in it, and then the mix in. So fresh rosemary, cracked black pepper, lemon zest, and balsamic syrup. And then we have the chocolate chip, ultimate chocolate chip cookie. Cool. So I am going to open these real quick. I just want to taste this and tell you what I think about it because it sounds so interesting. So that's actually really different than I thought it would be. Obviously, rosemary doesn't sound like it would be good in a dessert, but I am very surprised. You can definitely smell the rosemary, or taste it rather, and the lemon zest, and I kind of feel like I taste the black pepper, but it is good. I like that a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and try the chocolate chip cookie. I like chocolate chip cookies. Those are probably hands down my favorite. It's just basic cookie, but so good. Yum. And that was a really good chocolate chip cookie. And it has semi-sweet and dark chocolate, so a little bit of both. And they added sea salt in it, which brings out the flavor. Very good. I like this a lot. If you guys are interested, of course, I have their link below and all their information. So if you want to sign up for a subscription, just check out that box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.